This is going to be week 7, day 1 for your reading. I hope everyone had a great weekend. And make sure that your name is at the top of your form here. And then we're going to read a story and then answer some questions. Okay, and today's story is First Airplane Trip. Jake is going on a trip. He and Mom take a taxi to the airport. "It's my first plane trip," he tells the taxi driver. "That's great," the taxi driver says. Jake rolls his suitcase onto the plane. "It's my first plane trip," he tells the pilot. "Welcome aboard," the pilot says. Jake finds his seat and buckles his seatbelt. The plane's engines rumble and roar. Jake opens his backpack and pulls out Panda. "It's my first plane trip," he whispers. He holds Panda's paw. The plane moves faster and faster, then whoosh! On the ground, cars and houses look like toys. Jake smiles. "Guess what, Panda," he says. "Flying is fun." The first question: how do Jake and his mom travel to the airport? In a plane, in their car, in a taxi, or in a bus? What does a pilot do? A pilot flies a plane, a pilot drives a taxi, or a pilot sails a ship? Think about where you meet the pilot at in the story. What does the pilot say to Jake? And if you need help with this, go back in the story and find your answer. Does the pilot say, "It's my first plane trip," "Welcome aboard," or "That's great"? Who is Panda? Jake's brother, a large animal, Jake's pet, or a stuffed animal? What does Jake whisper to Panda? And once again, you can go back in the story to check your answer if you need to. Does Jake whisper to Panda, "It's my first plane trip," "Welcome aboard," or "That's great"? Then we're going to read the sentence from the story. On the ground, the cars and houses looked like toys. What does this mean? The cars and houses looked very big. The cars and houses looked very small. The cars and houses did not move, or Jake could not see the cars and houses. The second section, remember, we're going to discuss synonyms and antonyms. And remember, synonyms mean they're two words that mean the same thing, and antonyms are two words that mean the opposite. So which two words from these words are synonyms? Big, large, small, and heavy. Which two are synonyms? And which two of these words are antonyms? Dark, turn, light, and bulb. Which two are antonyms? Which two of these words are synonyms? Broken, quick, speedy, and slow. And which two of these words are antonyms? Love, lost, hate, and heart. Remember, synonyms mean that they are the same, and antonyms mean that they are opposite.